In this video, we are going to draw Welsh Corgi. I love Welsh Corgi because they have a fun proportion. They have big ears sticking up, a long chubby body, and cute tiny legs. I found this cute photo online and I thought we should draw this together. The Corgi looks already cute in the photo, but we will make it even cuter. Now, without further ado, let's get started. First, I start with a circle for the head and then 2 triangles for the ears. Then I draw a long rectangle for the body. I like how Corgi has a long chubby body. Under the rectangle, I draw 4 small rectangles for the legs and a tail at the corner of the rectangle. I divide the face into 4 to know where to draw the eyes, nose, and mouth. The eye goes right above the horizontal guideline and the nose at the center point. Then I draw a cute smiley mouth with the tongue sticking out. I'm drawing the 3 scallops on both sides of the face for the chubby cheek, then nicely connecting them to the face. I'm making the ears slightly rounded and then drawing the inner ears. Under the head, I'm drawing the collared neck strap. I am drawing an upside down triangle at the chest and then turning the smooth outline into the furry outline. I'm drawing small feet at the end of the legs. And I'm turning the straight lines to curve on the butt and back areas to look more natural. And then I'm adding furry textures next to the legs. Let's erase the practice lines before we add more details. I'm drawing the pointy eyelashes on both sides and a big circle for the iris. It's slightly looking to the left and up. And I draw a medium circle for the pupil and a small circle for the highlight. Then I fill in the pupil to make it look more like an eye. Then I draw the heart color on the chest. I'm adding more fur textures here and there. All pencil sketches are done, so let's erase the practice line again before moving on to the permanent marker. I'm using a thick marker to draw the outlines. I think I made the left ear too big, but that's okay. She will still look cute. All the thick outlines are done, so let's erase the pencil sketches before drawing the small details with a black pen. I'm using a pen to draw the iris and the small cute toes. Now all the black outlines are done, so let's move to the coloring. Fast forwarding the coloring part, I colored the partial body amber yellow, which is kind of orange-ish yellow, and left the rest of the body white. I first marked the color block borderline and then filled in the space. I colored the eyes blue. For the inner ears, I wanted to use a very light pink, but I didn't have a light pink marker, so I used a color pencil instead. And I colored the color green and pink with markers. I added the extra highlight in the eyes with a white pen to make the drawing extra cute.